things. Yes, this money answer all things. All right, let's head over to my dashboard. Yes, I said that I'll be review on how you can start and to know the time. Yes, you can starting your machine. Yes, to know a particular time that you can starting your machine. Okay, let's head over to my dashboard. This is dashboard. Just click on it, and immediately that you click it, everything will display running. So you not show running, the time will display, and your income that you are earning every day. If you don't display immediately that you don't see the display, you know that at the time that is on that, just look at this arrow now. This is the time that you know that this is the time that I will starting my machine every day. And also I'm a type of person that used to forget. If you have an alarm on your mobile phone, you still have alarm, go and set the alarm. Yeah, don't forget. The moment that you forgot, brother, sister, that your money is gone. You will not see it again. Yeah, the money is gone. Please, I will advise you to have your phone set alarm. I'm the one talking to you now. I have my particular time that I normally click it. Sometimes my alarm will not really go. Because I used to it. Quickly carry my phone and say it's time, and enter and press it. Yes, this company is legit and they need people to start working on them. Yeah, they need people. People are earning money on this platform. Yeah, people are cashing out. Yes, although I'm new, yes, not all to a month that I see this audit. When it was just a month that I see this audit, I was just doubting. Yes, when I was doubting, online business is a scam. If it's scam, I know how I was scam. Not first time, not second time, not third time, several times that number. I was just thinking. Later, so I just get to my bank. Did you try it? Yes. To become rich, it's not easy. I just want to say, did you try it? Okay, let me just try it. Then I was afraid. I was okay. What I cannot do now, I contact the customer care. They told me that the thing is legit. I was afraid to know that it's legit. Show your face. He said no, the company is not like that. But it's a long story. I was afraid. Okay, let me just to just verify it. See what you will do. Be doing daily tasks. Okay, let me just try it. I do daily time. I can be able to withdraw the money. I could okay. If you now told me that the easy way that you can start any money quickly is by deposit money. Without deposit, you cannot earn money. Oh boy, I was thinking. Yes, I was thinking. This is the name of the website now. I leave my that is it. I was thinking. What can I do now? What can I do now? What can I do now? Oh boy, I was just thinking. Many things were just running on my mind. Many things were just running on my mind. I was okay. Who will borrow me money now? Who will borrow me money? I check my account. It's okay, I have 4,000. So let me use 4,000 naira to buy a machine. I deposit 4,000 naira. Although I was afraid, now this is the first time I was afraid. I don't want to scam. I was afraid. Yes, I was afraid. So okay, what can I do now? Okay, I said, okay, I deposit 4,000 naira. I was afraid. I don't need this money. The two people took this money now. The customer told me, calm down, it's process. And obey me. To just cut the story short. And now later I discovered the thing is legit to because I don't want to review it yet. Yet there are people that there are some websites that they can start any money, but there are any money. You know what? They will not tell you the secret. They will silence it. Yeah, they want to start eating the money alone of the company. They will silence it. And I say, no, let me just silence it. And I was just saying, oh boy, just review. I know what I will do. What I will do now, let me just test it. Let me just try and check whether I will draw and see their light again. That's okay. I know do some job. I normally do. I normally start my machine. After some weeks, I see cash out. I say, okay, not telling me that I will hear this all day too. Not telling me that I will hear this all day. These are the people. These are how the machine look like. You see it now. I left mine. These are the machine. And say, it's not only me that will hear this audit. I was happy. You know that. Yeah, I'm not telling me that you hear this audit. I now went to refer to my friends to board. First person I referred to my brother's brother. I said, check it, this is legit. I referred just as he withdraw. You said it to us. Okay, let me what I will do now. Okay, let me start refer to my friends. Yes, you heard me. I refer to my friends, and they were not thanking you, boy. Yeah, I still need more audit. I know everybody want to know audit. Everybody need audit. Who don't need audit? Everybody need audit. So, bro, this is legit. I need more audit. That's how they were. That's how they were teaching me. I should bring more audit. I should bring more audit. Why? Because they think that the website is 100% legit. It's 100% legit. Don't fear. Yes, how much that you want to invest? You want to invest with 7,000 to 15,000 naira, 20,000, 25,000, 30, 40, $500,000. You can deposit it and see your money without fear, without risk, without fear. Yes, without fear. It's 100% legit. No error. Let me say, if you want to withdraw now, there's an error in your bank. They calculate refund your money back. Yes, they say just on the website, and just person withdraw. Person without waiting for 3 days a week before you see the money. The company is not like that. At least 48 hours, you are seeing your money reflecting. Yeah, you see your money. Your money within 48 hours. 48 hours. We see your money. Yes. I will be stopped here. And this is the first time that you come across this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment for other people to see this audio. Thanks for watching my channel. God bless you. Have a nice day.
Thanks for watching Unspoken Insight. Like, comments, and subscribe.